everyone, my name is Lily Endang Dewani. I am a PBG student at Sanata Dharma University Yogyakarta. I will reflect on the assignments that have been carried out in the English course for elementary school teacher. Tasks I have completed: 1. Description text, 2. Procedure text, 3. Recount text, and 4. Persuasive text. Description text. In the description text, I explain the identity of my friend Cindy and her family, namely her father, mother, and two younger siblings. Apart from that, there is also her address, hobbies, and pets. This is important to discuss in the description text so that I can clearly describe the identity of my friend Cindy and the condition of her family in written form, so that I can understand my friend as a whole regarding her identity and her family. The impact that I want to produce from this writing is that readers can see, know, feel, and clearly describe the identity of themselves and Cindy's family that I describe. Procedure text. In the procedure text, I explain how to cook crispy fried chicken. Several important things in the text are related to the ingredients and equipment used, as well as the stages of the process of cooking crispy fried chicken, which I wrote coherently. This is important to discuss in the procedure text so that the text can be used as a guide or instruction on how to cook my version of crispy fried chicken. The impact I want to produce from this article is that readers can clearly understand the ingredients and equipment needed to and they can cook my version of crispy fried chicken according to the steps I wrote in the text. Recount text. In the recount text, I explain the experience of my friend Naim on her first day at school. There are three parts in the text, namely first is the orientation section, which contains when and where the experience begins. The second is the event section, which tells the event in chronological order. And the third is the reorientation section, which tells how the experience ended and some thoughts you may have about it. It can also be a conclusion of the situation or experience. This is important to include in the text so that we can write in detail the story of the experience we have gone through. The impact I want to produce from this writing is that readers can find out about the experience I have gone through. Apart from that, I hope that readers will feel entertained and can learn lesson from every experience or event they have gone through. Persuasive text. In the persuasive text, I put forward an invitation to help save our environment by reducing air pollution and taking part in saving water. There are three important parts in the persuasive text that I created. Namely, the first is the statement of position section, stating the problem that occurred. The second is the argument section, stating my argument regarding the problem along with an elaboration containing supporting facts or evidence. And the third is the reiteration of April section states the conclusion of the argument I wrote. It is important to discuss this is the text so that readers can clearly understand the problems that occur related to the environment and the facts that occur along with research and supporting evidence. The impact I want to produce is that the text can invite or persuade readers to care for our environment together, and they will be moved to work together to save the environment by following the invitation according to the text I wrote. What did you to improve the quality of the writing? What I will do to improve the quality of my writing is that I will study harder to compose sentences in English with correct grammar. Then I will also often read to increase my knowledge. I will also accept constructive criticism, suggestion, or input to improve my writing. More than that, I will practice writing in English more actively to develop my thinking skill. That's all my reflection. Thank you for your attention.